In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to watch an Eventbrite online event. If you're new to Eventbrite, it's important to know that online events on this platform usually aren't watched directly on Eventbrite like a normal video website. Instead, Eventbrite is used to register you for the event and then give you access to the correct link or online event page where the webinar or live stream actually happens. The first thing you need to do is register for the event. Start by going to the Eventbrite event page, then click the button that says Get Tickets or Register. From there, complete the registration process. This step is essential because without registering, you usually won't receive the access details you need to join the event later. Once you've registered, the next step is to check your confirmation email. After signing up, Eventbrite sends an email with instructions for joining, and this is the most important part of the process. In that email, look for a button or link that says Join Event. You might also see something like View Event or Access Online Event page. In some cases, the organizer may include a direct Zoom link, a YouTube link, or another live stream link. Make sure you read the email carefully so you know exactly where you'll need to click when it's time to join. Some Eventbrite events also include a dedicated online event page. If that's available, open your confirmation or reminder email and click View the Event or Access Event. If you're asked to log in, go ahead and do that. This page usually contains the webinar or video link along with any extra instructions the organizer wants attendees to follow. It's a good idea to open this page ahead of time so you're not rushing at the last minute. When the scheduled event time arrives, click the join link from your email or from the event page. Another option is to go directly to Eventbrite, open your tickets section, select your order, and then click Join Event. That can be helpful if you can't immediately find the original email. If you can't find the link at all, don't panic. First, check your spam or junk email folders. Then search your inbox for Eventbrite to locate the confirmation or reminder emails. Also look out for reminder emails sent shortly before the event begins, since they often include the same join link again. And if you still can't access it, go back to the event page and contact the organizer for help. That's how to watch an Eventbrite online event quickly and smoothly.